Hi everybody, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. We have a 2011 Hyundai Elantra 1.8 liter. Customer's concerned by the time she gets to work, the car is driving good. It makes like a rattling noise, the engine shuts off. She starts up when she gets off work, goes home, then makes the same little noise, and it shuts off again. And then it always restarts back up again, but it's not reliable anymore. So we put a scanner on it. All we have was some tire pressure monitoring codes. We cleared that off. No other codes, drives fine. The cam crank synchronization, everything checked out good on the scanner. So we started driving it around, and as we were accelerating, the check engine light came on, went off. I looked at the tachometer completely quit, and the car lost a lot of power, like in limp mode. So we got back, we had code P0335, Crankshaft Position Sensor fault. So I'll show you what we did next. We put a graphing meter on it, and look at the waveform pattern. And what you're looking for in these is you're looking for uniformity. You don't want any dropouts or glitches. See how that drops out? Kind of have to wait for it. There it goes again. There it goes again. There it goes again. And it'll do good for a little while. There it goes again, there it goes again. There it goes again. So, did it 6 or 7 times there. This is what the sensor looks like. Has a pigtail with a 2-wire connector. It has a bolt that holds it in the block, and it has this long piece with like a little magnet on the tip. And where it's located on the vehicle here. Kind of light up there. I put some chalk and made a chalk mark on it. So you can see the chalk mark there, and you can see the bolt of the sensor. And it just goes right there in the block, and there's a 2-wire connector just above that where we got our test equipment hooked up. So, simple, easy one. You always want to get some kind of a meter, do some kind of a testing. As soon as I saw those glitches, the car is running fine right now, but with those glitches, that sensor's failing. Okay, thank you very much. Everybody have a great day.